Why haven't you texted me back?
Well, we are coming back from an event.
Then come see me.
Or are you too busy with that little American husband?
Oh, I don't know.
Vince,
Do you want more photos? Or do you want
the real thing.
I'll be there soon. I gotta go to the office.
Okay. You ask the driver to drop me at mine?
Well, actually, would you be okay if you just got another ride? Because it's really urgent. It's a work emergency.
Yeah.
I'm sorry about the way things went tonight, okay? I'm gonna make it up to you. Okay? I love it. I love it.
Okay.
All right, I'll see you later. Step on it.
Wait, my umbrella! Aaron, he came for me.
Come with me.
Sorry, folks. Just a pothole.
You haven't been here for the past 10 years. Vince has.